In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a certificate from Firefox. By the end, you will know exactly where certificates live in Firefox and how to safely delete one. First, open Firefox. On Windows or Mac, you can use your usual shortcut or select it from your applications list. When Firefox opens, you should see the main browser window with your home page or a blank tab. Make sure it is the active window before you move on. Now click the menu button in the top right corner of Firefox. It looks like three horizontal lines. From that menu, choose Settings. The Settings page opens in a new tab, and you will see a sidebar on the left with several categories, such as General and Privacy and Security. If you do not see the sidebar, scroll a little to confirm you are at the top of the page. Next, select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. The right side of the tab changes to show a long list of privacy options. You will see sections about browser privacy, history, and site data. This tells you that you are working in the correct area for certificates and connection security. From here, scroll down until you find the section called Connection and Software Security. It sits below the more general privacy options, so you may need a few swipes of the mouse wheel or trackpad. When you reach it, you will see options related to how Firefox connects to websites and handles secure communication. In that Connection and Software Security section, click Advanced Settings. The section expands to show additional controls that were previously hidden. This is where Firefox places the more technical connection options, including how it handles certificates for secure websites and authorities. With the advanced options visible, scroll down to the Certificates section. As you approach it, you may notice text mentioning secure connections and certificates. Once you reach certificates, you will usually see buttons for managing or viewing them. This is the area that controls how Firefox trusts websites and personal identities. Now click the button labeled Manage Certificates. A separate window opens called Certificate Manager. This window may have several tabs such as your certificates, servers, and authorities. Each tab groups a different type of certificate that Firefox can use when you browse. In the Certificate Manager, open the tab called Your Certificates. This tab lists personal certificates stored in Firefox, often used for identifying you to certain sites or services. If the list is empty, Firefox currently has no personal certificates saved. Next, select the certificate you want to remove. Click once on its name so it becomes highlighted. You can quickly confirm it is selected by checking that its row is shaded and the Delete button at the bottom becomes clickable. Once the correct certificate is highlighted, click Delete. Firefox immediately asks for confirmation in a small dialog window, so you do not accidentally remove the wrong one. Removing a certificate here only affects Firefox, not other browsers on your computer. To finish, confirm by clicking OK in that dialog. The certificate disappears from the Your Certificates list, and Firefox forgets it for future connections. You have now opened Firefox settings, reached the Certificate Manager, and removed a personal certificate from the Your Certificates list, so please give this video a thumbs up if it helped and consider subscribing for more clear Firefox guides.